Hi viewers, welcome to my channel. Today I am going to show you shopping that I have done from Temu. So guys, this is a Temu shopping haul. So stay tuned and watch the full videos. In this video you will see some exciting products that are very economical and I hope you will love these products. So the first thing that I am going to open, this is lip cream, which is also known as lip stain or their lip liner. There were many shades, almost 10 to 12. I ordered the rosy pink shade because it suits on my skin tone. The second product that I ordered from Temu is this bathrobe. Guys, let's open it and see its quality. Apparently it's looking very nice. The color is purple. There were 5 colors in this. I selected the purple one. I was confused between pink and purple, but I thought to give a try to a new color because I already have many things in pink before. Wow guys, the material is so soft. It's fleece material and size is looking good. It has sleeveless sleeves and 2 pockets on the front as well. This you can use after bath and for taking steam bath or in sauna rooms as well. If you want to know which product exactly is this, please let me know in the comment section, then I will provide you the link of these products. The next product is nylon tote bag. This one I got from my gym. You can use it for your university, for your work, for school as well. Actually it contains a lot of pockets, so that's why I chose this one, and it has long strap that you can use for crossbody and small strap as well that you can use on your shoulders. The main thing is that this is very lightweight and inside you can see it is very spacious and it has a lot of pockets. In these outer pockets you can put your mobile phones, some snacks or some of your makeup products as well. Or these are the stickers that came along with this bag. You can put these badges. They contain safety pin also for strong hold. You can put them and decorate your bag accordingly. It had black, grey, purple, all colors. Now the second one is also tote bag, but the material is different. The previous one was nylon and this material is canvas. Now let's open it. Wow guys, the quality is looking so good. It's very lightweight. The color is very bright. The next product that I ordered is, I think this is this is my lipstick organizer that contains 24 grids, and this is hair extension. The color is sort of ash brown. Now this is also, I think I ordered lipstick storage, but the shape is different. This is lipstick storage that contain 24 grids again. This you can put vertically. The first one was horizontal and this one you can put vertical. Now this one is my quick dry hair towel cap. I already had this one in light pink color. This one I ordered the purple one, and see there is a button at front and at back there is one holder so that you can use it after washing your hair. These are very eyeliner and eyeshadow brushes. This is one of my favorite products. Let's open it. I ordered these cat eye nails in 4 different colors. The quality is looking very good and they are very shiny and bright. The prices are very economical guys. If you want to know price, please let me know in the comment section. This one I ordered from my mobile. This is sticky phone holder that you can use at the back side of your phone, so that it can easily attach on mirror or anything wherever you want. And this is another set of these eyeliner and eyeshadow brushes. Let's open it. What's inside? I think this is my lipstick. Yeah, guys, this is the Haute lipstick. Later on I will show you the shade in another video. And this is one lip liner that I ordered in mauve shade. So guys, these are all the products that I ordered from Temu, and they are really very economical. If you like today's video, please give thumbs up and let me know in the comment section. Then I will provide you the link of each of these products. Thank you.